If you currently have Android Nougat on your phone or even Android Oreo, then you're probably very lucky because you probably will never ever get the Android P update on your phone unless and until you have a Samsung or a OnePlus flagship. Very few Android phones get the major Android upgrades. That took for a very long time. But one thing that we can definitely do is get the latest Android version features, that is the Android P features on our phone as of now, right now, while watching this video. So hey guys, this is Vandit, you're watching Android Planet, and today I'll tell you how you can get some of the coolest features of Android P which we have encountered so far. So let's get started. Now the files you need to download are huge. There are a number of files which you need to download, but to save your time as well as my time, I've put them into a single zip file called AndroidP.zip. So once you extract that zip file, you will get another folder, and inside that folder there will be these things: 4 to 5 APKs and 2 zip files. So the next obvious step is go ahead and installing all the APKs one by one. Now when you're trying to install the Nexus Launcher APK, you might encounter an error that the app is not installed. That is because you already have an app installed by the name Nexus Launcher or Pixel Launcher, so just uninstall it and then install the Nexus Launcher once again, because you cannot install it as an update, so you need to uninstall any previous versions of Pixel Launcher. Now we come to the zip files. It's obvious, go ahead and extract both of them and keep them in a location where you can find them, because these zip files, they contain the Android P ringtones, the UI tones, and everything you would want from Android P, and also the Android P wallpapers if you're interested. So just go ahead and extract all of them. Now we'll get the features. So just press on your home button and you will get a pop-up. Select Pixel Launcher and here you have it, Android P Launcher. If you talk about changes, then there's this translucent layer over the top. The Google widget now also has a mic if you want to use it. Now there are the basic features are already present. Just swipe up and swipe down gestures. Long press on your home screen to get the settings and all that stuff. The next feature which we have on the list is the Android P screenshot. Now in Android P you can take a screenshot and then edit it a little bit. So to get that thing, just take a screenshot and then click on the share button. Once you do that, you will be on the screen, scroll down and select markup tool, and then you're done. Now you have the small editor using which you can write up text, make some small drawings or mark up something on your photo, finally save it and then send it to anybody who would like to do it. Now we come to the easiest part of this tutorial or video, that is changing the Android P sound. Now to get the Android P sound, all you have to do is go into settings and change your sounds just like you would do on any other phone. Click on phone ringtone, navigate to the folder where you have kept the extracted zip files obviously. Go to ringtone and finally select the Android P ringtone which you want. If you want the wallpaper, then it's the same. Long press on the home screen, select wallpaper, select whichever Android P wallpaper you'd like to have, and then you're done. Just select it by navigating through the phone menus you have on your phone depending on the UI, and then just tap on it. Finally click on set wallpaper and you're done. So now you have Android P wallpaper and Android P ringtones as well. But we are not done yet, because Android P also has a feature which enables you to get the notch if you want it. So to get the notch, all you have to do is install the APK, obviously in the zip file, and then just open it up and click on start. Now there are plenty of other apps which give you the same functionality and are available on Play Store. So if you want any other app, you can go ahead and download it. You can even edit this notch thing if you want to, a little bit, not too much. Finally we come to the last and the most major part of this video. This is called Flux White theme. What this theme does is it gives you the Android P look on your phone. As of now this theme is paid and I've not included it in the zip file. But when it becomes available on Google, I'll definitely do it. I'll just give you an example of how you'll have to apply it. So just download Substratum. It's also available in the zip file, so you do not need to download it separately. Substratum is a theming engine using which we will be applying the theme. As of now I'm using a dummy theme, you can call it. So just grant it all the permissions, tap on the theme. Once you do that, click on the quick toggle, then select your Android version. Finally again click on the quick toggle. Then again click on this yellow button. Finally build and enable and you're done. After some time your phone will lock and once you unlock your phone, you will have the theme applied. Keep in mind when the APK file is available, I will put the links in the description. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, you know what to do. Press the like button, subscribe button, and do leave your comments, your suggestions, everything in the comment section down below. This is Wonders leaving for the moment. Have a nice day and bye bye now.